Hey you guys, it's Peter and welcome to my channel. Peter! Boom, 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 review stuff. And I am really excited about this review today. I also have some updates about my bird feeder. I wanted to give a little update about that. And also my Golden Girls Sophia Chia pet. I'm gonna give some updates about that at the end. But I was vlogging the other night. If you don't know, I have a vlog where people call it like a podcast. They just listen to it. I drive around for an hour and a half every night. Well, for the last couple months, I've been sitting in my driveway, drinking a Diet Coke or Diet Pepsi, just talking about all the woes of the world and telling stories of my life. And if you want to hear like the true story about my grandma that went to prison, and you want to hear about family stuff, I tell all the stories over there. I tell stories about me growing up, you know, as a kid. That's when you're a kid, well, you get it. Anyway, and I tell stories about my cousin Caroline over there. I tell all kinds of stories over there. So anyway, just stories of my life, and I share my opinions about stuff. But the other night, because they lifted the, you know, you're now allowed to drive everywhere. So I started driving again in my vlogs this week. And I was driving by Dairy Queen the other night, and I saw that they have this new cotton candy ice cream cone. And I was like, oh my God, the summer fairs. I love the state fair. The Indiana State Fair is like one of my favorite things in the world to do. And I was like, I love getting cotton candy. I love getting the grilled cheeses at the Milk Barn. I love getting, what else do I love? I love the state fair. The food at the state fair is so good. Oh my God. And I love county fairs too. And I love all of the like deep fried this and the deep fried cookie dough and the deep fried Snicker bars. I love all that kind of stuff. I love trying it all. Back in the day, before I was a vegetarian, I had to always get a corn dog, you know, and a tenderloin, a big tenderloin, but I don't do that anymore because I don't do that. I won't say it's nice, but I don't do that anymore, but everybody else that I know still does. So anyway, but I was like, okay, I don't get those dots though. You know, like those magic dots or whatever they are. They're supposed to be like ice cream, but they're not, because I think those are a waste of money. I think those are straight up a waste. Don't get them. Those dots are stupid. But anyway, I drove by Dairy Queen and I saw that they have this cotton candy ice cream, and I was like, oh my God, I have to get this cotton candy, because cotton candy to me is summer. I love it. And then it sits in your closet afterwards, and then it's like October and it's hard as a rock, and your mom's like, I shouldn't have spent that $4.95 on that cotton candy, because I knew it was going to get harder as a rock and you weren't going to ever eat it. And I'm like, Mom, shut up. It's still good. So anyway, it'll be good next summer. So here it is. You can see right here. I'm going to take my candy. I'm going to take my camera, and you can see right there it is. It says new cotton candy dipped cone. I am so excited. Do you see this? Okay, or is it not focusing? I don't think it's focusing, but it doesn't really matter. I am so excited about this. So, we're going to go through here, and we are going to try the cotton candy dip cone. I think this is my very first Dairy Queen review I have ever done. I also have my Starbucks cup today. They gave me the cup, and then I put it in there. All right. Are you ready? There's people sitting outside, and they're being so summery and things like that. Oh, my Lord. Okay. Well, don't be looking at me while I'm filming a video, okay? Because that's not very nice. Don't you know I'm a professional? I mean, seriously. So while I'm waiting in line, I'll give you guys a few little updates. First of all, okay, I am bitter. I'm so pissed. This morning, I went out to my bird feeder, and do you know how like I put the suet things on either side? Well, on the side that I put that apple dough stuff, not the other side, the boring one where I put just the seeds things. Hold on a second, they're pulling up here. I have to get my cotton candy cone. Oh my God, I'm gonna have to try some more things here. They've got everything. They've got Frosted Animal Cookie Blizzard. Can I get that cotton candy dipped cone? What are my options?
It's small, medium, or large.
Is it small enough? I'll just do a small. No, how much is that?
That's $2.69.
Okay, thank you. I love when you ask a question and she's like, just silence, crickets on the other, because she don't know how to answer the question, you know, like, is that enough? Well, I guess, if I would have loved if she would have come back and said, well, if you're a large Marge like Peter Monn, probably not. You're going to probably need the 2XL. But if you're a skinny mini, then you're probably going to only need the small, you know? Anyway, can I just tell you about the food that they have at Dairy Queen? If y'all don't have a Dairy Queen, let me just show you this, okay? Dairy Queen has the best food in the entire world. So you can see over here, they have the bacon cheeseburger, the flame thrower, the cheeseburger, the half-pound cheeseburger, the third-pound double cheese with plain. They don't, turkey BLT, chicken bacon, they don't have really anything I can get anymore, except for a grilled cheese. They have fries, rice, the ring, cheese curds, oh my God, I love cheese curds so much. And then they have slushies, 2 for $4. They have such great deals over here. They have salads, you can get your salad, but who would want one of those? Their chicken strips are so good here, you guys. And then they have blizzards over there, I don't know if you can see, but they have summer blizzard menu. They have the Wonder Woman cookie collision, raspberry fudge bliss, s'mores, cotton candy, frosted animal cookie, and Oreo cheesecake. And the 2 new ones are the Oreo cheesecake blizzard and the new frosted animal cookie. That sounds really good, doesn't it? And then over here, they have all kinds of, the brownie and Oreo cupfection, and then they have banana splits, peanut butter parfait. What was the thing that I used to get when I was a kid? They have the dipped cones. The dipped cones are the best, and that's what we're getting today. They have all kinds of blizzards and stuff like that. What was the thing that I used to get when I was a kid? I don't see it anymore. Mr. Misty or something like that. We used to call her a pissed pisty or something like that. Because she was so bad. She was so bad back in the day. But anyway, oh my Lord, I have to put the focus back a little bit. This one time, my husband and I and my good Judy Melissa, y'all know Melissa, her husband was out of town, so we went to Dairy Queen. This is actually the Dairy Queen in Fishers, if y'all know it. But we have a Dairy Queen like real close to our house. But it looks old and stuff like that, so I was like, I better go to another Dairy Queen. So anyway, but their food is so good. And one time, they have like foot-long hot dogs and stuff. This must have been before I was a vegetarian, because we went through there and we each got like coney dogs. Y'all know it. Still have coney dogs? I'm sure they do. Oh yeah, they do. They got chili dogs right there. Coney dogs are basically when you get everything on it and all that kind of stuff. But we got coney dogs, and we got French fries and onion rings and all kinds of stuff. Oh my God, it was so delicious. And we just sat at her table, and then we watched some scary horror movie about this babysitter, and she was getting all chased through this house and stuff like that. It was real spooky, scary. Anyway, Alex fell asleep. Or was that a movie that we watched one time when Jason was there? No, that was something different. But anyway, we used to love to watch Lifetime movies too, because my good Judy Mel, I was just talking about good Judy Mel on the phone about the True Crime Book Club. We're talking about all kinds of things we're planning. But anyway, my good Judy Melissa, she's obsessed with Lifetime movies like I am. So we always watch Lifetime movies. We love the ones with Tori Spelling the best. Like Mother May I Walk with Danger. Oh my God, it's so good. And Death of a Cheerleader, those are our 2 favorites. But anyway, what was I gonna say? So something came in the middle of the night, and it took that whole suet thing out of there. Suey or suet, the one on the one side, just the apple one. The other one, it didn't even touch. I mean, the entire thing is gone. And I was telling my good Judy Mel, I was telling her about it. I said, I'm so pissed about it. I can't, family friendly. I'm just a little upset. I'm not, anyway, but I really am PO'd. And I said, I cannot believe that. And she goes, well, I guess it was Sammy the squirrel. And I go, no. I don't think a squirrel could like lift a whole thing that big. I said, I think it was a raccoon or something like that. And she was like, oh, I don't know, blah, 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 whatever. So anyway, all right. The other thing I was gonna tell you, the update, was that my Sophia Chia Pet, she hadn't grown one bit, and it's been like 3 or 4 days. These people, like, they need to get their ice cream and go. They're like, all of them taking too long for my need. Hold on a second. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Have you had this cotton candy thing?
Yeah, it's good. I like
it is good?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I'm excited. Now, I'll tell you that in the Dairy Queen, they're all wearing their gloves, they're all wearing their masks, which is unlike many fast food places I've been. Burger King. But they're all wearing their masks. Oh, it looks so good. I'm so excited.
There you go.
Thank you. What's your favorite blizzard?
I just make up blizzards normally. Like, I mix, like, different things together. So not anything on the menu, but...
Do you like the new ones that they have?
Yeah, they're pretty good. I like the brownie dough one. That was really good.
Okay, I'll try that. All right, thank you so much. What's your name? What's your name?
Jocelyn.
Jocelyn, I'm filming a video for YouTube. So this is a review video. Do you want to be on it?
Do what?
You want to be on it? Hi.
Sure. Hi.
Thank you, Jocelyn. You were so sweet. Thank you. She was so nice. She was like waving to the camera, and I didn't even have it turned yet. They all want to be movie stars. I swear to God, the whole world wants to be a movie star before they even know it. Anyway, where's the parking space? Come on now. Oh my God, my camera, she's rolling in her beanbag. I mean, you give them just a little bit of fame and they just can't even handle it. She's like, oh, I'm a movie star now, Karen. It's like my cousin Caroline. She's just gone to her head. I swear to God, now Caroline, everybody's wishing that she does. People like, I got all these comments, people are like, you should do a video with Caroline. Screw Caroline, she ain't no movie star. She's our own YouTube channel. She wants to be famous. Anyway, I love you, Caroline. Okay, here it is. Maybe I should do it with my sunglasses. That might be a hotter look, don't you think? For summer. All right, you ready? Cheers! You have to bite off the top. Oh my God. Oh my God. A true story. It tastes just like cotton candy as soon as you bite into it. See, then you can suck some of the ice cream out of it. Mmm. That is so good. Oh my God, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to eat this whole thing though. This is delicious. And you know what? It's not like overkill. You know, not the movie with Eileen Wuornos. We're doing all Eileen Wuornos this month for my book club. Look how they match. All this month, we're doing, Mel and I are hosting our book club. It's all Eileen Wuornos. And one of the movies that we're reading, per the suggestion of Misha, who is our good Judy, I love you, Misha, is that one of the things is extra credits, is that we're watching the movie Overkill on YouTube about Eileen Wuornos and well, they don't ever say it. They act like they're just good Judies, but they were lesbian lovers of the world. They truly were, okay? And they try to act like they were that Tyria Moore that sold her up the river and like testified against her and everything like that. Just because she knew she'd be famous forever being Eileen Wuornos' ex-girlfriend. But anyway, I watched the movie Monster the other night. I forgot how much I kind of liked that movie, but they're all just these romance movies about Eileen Wuornos and her girlfriend. Anyway, Jean Smart, who played Charlene in Designing Women, she plays Eileen Wuornos in Overkill, which you can watch on YouTube. It's not a very high quality movie, but it's a made-for-TV movie, and I love it. The only part that you really see of it, though, where she really acts like she's anything like Eileen Wuornos, you can see my teeth and the ice cream, is this one part where she's like, Tyria and her sister are like laughing and they're looking at pictures and she's drinking a beer and she's drunk and she goes, hold it down over there. How am I supposed to even think when you're laughing like that? She like goes crazy. We don't see her really mad about anything else. The cone's the best part too. I love to bite into the cone, don't you? Okay. Oh, this is what I'm gonna say though. It's not really overkill. Like, it's just enough cotton candy that it tastes delicious. And you really do taste the cotton candy. I mean, it's not just blue and kind of tastes like it really tastes like it. But it's not so much, it's like, ooh, that's so sweet. Like, it's just enough to make it perfect. Pretty is pretty does. All right, I'm gonna get off here because this is melting all over my car. And I'm gonna finish the rest of it outside. Anyway, I love you guys. Put in the comment section below your favorite ice cream, your favorite State Fair item, or your favorite thing from Dairy Queen if you've ever had it. And I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.